Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we've got this query which says write a program that rotates the elements of a list so that the elements at the 0 index move to the first index, at the first index move to the second one, and so on, and the element at the last index moves to the 0 index. So here, first of all, it rotates the elements of a list. So either we can make a list by manually typing it by something I've not given parentheses to this, but yeah, that's a tougher way, because every time you have to type it, first of all inside the program you have to care about parentheses and all that. You go to care about all the other things, typos and all that. Yeah, so you basically get it what I would say. The second thing we can do is we can take an input. Oh my god, sorry for the typo. Yeah, can take an input into a list which is separating its separating its elements by, for say, a comma. Okay, so you guys get my point. So which is simply separating it by a comma. And then the second thing we're going to do is we're going to mark the comma as, and we're going to get the comma, and then what we're going to do is then here we're going to make another variable which will simply split it, which simply get it how to split it by comma. It's gonna split the input, the string, which is that it's called, and it will split it on the basis of where all the commas are, and then it will make it into a list. And then the next step we're going to do is pretty easy, which is gonna reconfirm the variable. We're gonna reform the variable as to be right here. It will first check the length of fg, and then we're gonna just remove the length. It's going to remove one indexing from its length, and for the first variable. And for the second one, what it's going to do is, okay, it's fg. I just didn't notice that's gonna be getting it as, for example, it's gonna be taking the negative one, or the last variable right here, and let's just change them. For this we use the length function. The last element we negated it by 1, and now we negated it by 1, and then put it in front of the list, which simply means that the 0 index moves to the first index moves to the second one, and so on. The element at the last index will move to the 0 index from this side thingy right there, and then we simply gonna print it. Oh my god, I don't know why this type is happening today. We're gonna print the rotated list is, for example, the rotated list is oh, we got a name of that. I forgot that. Yeah, rotated list is fg. And now we're gonna check our code. So enter list. So like hello, comma by, comma, good, comma, bad, something is like that. So it's take the last element and put it in the first one. Let's take the first one and put it in the second index, the second one and the third index, and the third one in the fourth index. So I hope you guys got it, and I hope you guys like my video. Do like and share my video and subscribe to my channel. For more queries, ask me in the comments below.